guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing this month's Ipsy Boxycharm. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's box, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so starting us off, we have our little Boxycharm newsletter. This month's theme is the Secret Garden. It says, this month, spring beauty staples will bring your look into full bloom and lead you through a sanctuary filled with florals, botanicals, and intoxicating aromatics. It's your time to sow the seeds of true inner beauty and watch them flourish. And then on the inside, it kind of goes behind May's theme and talks a little bit about some of the products that you may receive inside your Boxycharm box. And it also spotlights and talks about a few Asian and Pacific Islander founded brands. The first product inside this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box is the Benefit Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. You guys, I already own this cleanser and I absolutely love it. This is going to visibly remove any impurities and dirt. It's going to make your pores look and feel purified. And I love the formula. It's a lightweight kind of gel formula and it foams right up into a bubbly cleanser. I love it. It's got lemon extract that is going to help pores look smaller, yuzu extract to make your skin feel smoother, and I know I'm gonna butcher this word, but it's also got bisabolol to make your skin feel more comfortable. I have definitely seen a difference in my pores since using this cleanser. Next in the box is the 8 Saints Soulmate Brightening Treatment. This has hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, and vitamin E. And this is going to exfoliate and hydrate and renew the skin to make it look youthful and young again. The glycolic acid is going to help shed that top layer of dead skin cells, so it kind of reveals that brighter, more youthful skin underneath. It's also going to reduce the look of age spots and discoloration. And then we all know that hyaluronic acid is the #1 ingredient to really plump and hydrate the skin. Next, we have this trio brush set. This is MIA by Maciel. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But we have a tapered blending brush, a definer brush, and an eyeshadow brush. But what is cute about these brushes is this is the Zodiac collection. So there are little Zodiac signs, kind of hard to see, on the wands here. And here is mine, Virgo. And then to use those brushes, we have the Ciate London I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower Volume 2 palette. I have the Volume 1. It is absolutely gorgeous. And here is the Volume 2, you guys. It is so, so beautiful. And I do have this on my eyes today. Last but not least, in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we have the Polite Society Greatest Lashes of All Time Mascara. This has a 360-degree grab and lift bristle brush, and it's going to give you volume, lift, and length. You guys, I love the packaging. It's so sleek. I love the shape of it. It just feels very, very comfortable in your hand, and there is what the wand looks like. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. Let me know down in the comments below what product was your favorite or which one you hope to receive. With the Ipsy Boxycharm option, you get 5 full-size products every month. Members choose 3 products. Everything in the box is up to $200 in value, and it's only $30 a month. I just want to say another big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another Boxycharm box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.